Everything is still left behind here, including his tapes. Gives us a glimpse of the family that used to live here. Maybe there was like some sort of fire. Look at this cobweb. I think we found the room. This tiny closet space is literally filled with them. So now I'm gonna show you guys the front of the building. Check it out. This is a Mercedes Benz van. It's probably their travel van. Looks like the side entrance. And that's the balcony from the bedroom. Jeez. Looks like in rough shape. I wonder if we can even open the door. No, it's completely locked. So this is the very front of the home. Such a unique design. I've never seen anything like it, with the brick layers and the castle tower on top of it. What is going on today, Ronin fam? I hope you guys have been well. And if you're new around here, my name is Steve Ronin and go on epic adventures. And I've been here in Europe for the past few months now, and I'm currently here in Belgium on a weekend urbex trip with my two friends, Relicted Places and urbex.inc. The link will be down below in the description. You have to check them out. And this place is absolutely incredible. I cannot wait to give you guys a walkthrough of this amazing place. Everything is still left behind, even this gorilla right here. Can you believe that? Insane. Anyway, this place is a very modern European home, probably the most modern European home I've ever explored here in Europe. And it was built around the early 2000s by a very wealthy couple. The husband, he had a party business. He would sell stuff like Halloween costumes and birthday party materials, and it was very successful and earned him a lot of money. After that, he moved on to the porn industry, where I guess he made even more money from that. Rumors say that his wife was a part of it. Now, in 2014, she ended up passing away from a tragic accident. And this is rumors that the locals have been telling me, and my other friends who've been here have been telling me. And in 2016, it all went downhill from there. You know, he was suppressed that his wife passed away because he was very in love with her. It affected his business, and eventually had financial trouble to keep up with the place and the bills. Shortly after her passing, he started making mature pornographic films, even acting upon them. He was inviting ladies into his home, often luring them with his monetary influence and narcotics. The worst part is he was secretly taping their sexual actions and selling the tapes to the likes of Playboy. Fortunately, his fortune wouldn't last long, as his home was quickly searched when the local police received numerous reports about it. Amateur sex recordings of his victims were found, along with a sizable quantity of drugs. He was then charged with possession of illegal drugs and sentenced to 6 months in prison. And this property was seized, and then he ended up moving to another country to live a new life. So yeah, it's quite tragic from there. Everything is still left behind here, including his sex tapes. Let's see if we can find it. I think it's somewhere up in the bedrooms, but other than that, the architecture here is pretty unique. The interior style and everything is unlike anything I've ever seen, and I think you guys will love it a lot. So yeah, I'm really excited you want to stay watching until the very end of the video. Now, without further ado, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Leave a comment down below. Tell me where you're from, and especially if you're here from Europe, leave a comment down below. Would love to know my European fans. But all right, enjoy. Give you guys a quick glimpse of the living room over here. Quite stunning. There's so many things still here. It's kind of crazy. I really don't know where to begin, but I guess we should like go around in a circle and just observe everything. You can see the stairway right here. I love the design and the railing on it. And I like the pink color. Yeah, we still got some wine here. Maybe someone's been drinking. Yeah, there's a giant ape. I'm not really sure why they had this giant ape, but I love the furniture. It looks good as new. Look at that. I'm not gonna lie, it was really comfy too. Love the wooden frame on it. And yeah, you can tell the religion. This was probably a sketch of the owner. Looks like a rich person's hat. They're not real flowers. We got the grandfather clock still standing, but it looks like the internals have been stolen. Looks like someone took them. Which is quite weird because other than that, everything is still intact here. Let's move on to this area. The kitchen is not so modern. Wow, coffee, the plates and cups, all right here. That looks like a really nice jacket. Oh, another living room. Quite small. Really comfy leather seats. I'm so used to seeing like these modern furnitures in America. Love the decorations and antiques. They even had a teacup set over here. Would you look at that? Amazing. That was a little bit too bright, but you can see the detail on it and the designs. Wow, this one has like some Chinese artwork. And look at this beautiful fireplace. It's layered with bricks. I love it a lot. Gives a more cozy home vibe. We got some records. And look at that. We have a film camera. That's so sick. I love seeing old cameras. This is the type of camera I use for ghost hunting. No way. That's literally a dead dog that's been decomposed. Jeez, how did it die in here? Must have been sick or something. Let's all say rest in peace in the comments. What do you guys think of the leather seats? I really like leather seats, except during the winter it kind of makes you really cold. There's a cabinet here too with a lot of things. And we have some music and some DVDs. Yeah, that's right, Netflix wasn't really a thing back then. Can't believe like DVDs are so foreign to me now. Now I forgot what these things were called, but they're quite popular here in Europe. It's not my first time seeing them inside an abandoned home. Pretty sure these are like some sort of collectible. And now it just wraps around back into the main living room with the stairway. I just noticed right here in the corner, it's an album. Gives us a glimpse of the family that used to live here. I guess they had some kids. I was wrong. That probably explains some of the toys and the giant gorilla. I didn't know that. Wow. So he moved out with his kids when his wife passed away. So sad. Look at all the happy memories they left behind. I can't believe they also left their album. They should have brought this. It's just rotting away now. Hey look, they had a dog. It's so cute. What breed is that? Let me know down in the comments if you know what type of dog that is. I'm pretty sure the husband and the wife were these two people right here. We got some alcohol. Alright, let's check this part out. Oh, it's another cabinet with some teacups. They must have loved their tea. Oh look, taxidermy here. Hard to tell what animal that is too. Looks like a little cat. But it has a weird face. It's a beautiful set. Love the windows. I think this is also a door. I feel like this place could have a little bit more windows. It's quite dark inside. You don't really get a lot of natural light. Oh, black and white photo. Could have been like the daughter's mother. We got more cups. I'm sure they love to drink. Dining table's quite nice. Love the woodwork. Oh, it's another stairway over here in this room. Let's take a closer look to the paint. I like this color a lot, and I like the style of it. It's quite simple. I like simple things. Maybe we'll go check out this room in the corner later, because we still have to look at these things over here. I can't believe how immaculate the furniture is. Wow, here are more figurines. It's the same ones that we saw in the other cabinet. This one's quite nice. It's made of glass. Wow. And look at that fireplace. That is gorgeous. We got some more fake flowers here. The firewood is literally still left here. I love this design. Looks like the fireplace is made of some sort of stone. And you got this carved right on it. Look at that. We have a record player. And some more taxidermy. It's pretty obvious knowing what this family really loved. They loved tea sets, taxidermy, and these figurines. Oh, that's a lovely painting. It can be a painting of their daughter. And that's about it, guys. We've pretty much seen everything in the living room. These are like on the edges of the wall. It reminds me of the edge of a birthday cake, the way it looks, and even the color. Over here we have another cupboard. This time with plates. I believe this is a coffee grinder. Very vintage. We're gonna move on to this corner. Feels a lot different already. Got some burnt marks on the stairway. Maybe there was like some sort of fire that happened. Okay, now we got the classic old seats here that I'm used to seeing in every abandoned mansion. Maybe this side is a bit older. Guess we'll check over here. Oh, this is a tight squeeze. Oh, a little kitchen area. Interesting. I can hear like electricity running. Looks like there's some leakage going on here. You can see the floor is wet. Look at all the keys. You can probably open every door in here. Yeah, I can definitely hear the electricity running. I feel like I can even turn this on and it'd be running. Should we try it? No, it's not. Weird. Anyway, it looks like there's just a bunch of junk in these cabinets. Nothing so crazy. Oh man. What the hell? Look at this cobweb. I feel like it's fake, but this has to be real. Reminds me of those cobwebs you use during Halloween to decorate your home. That is so much. Yeah, I don't want to be meeting the spider that made this. Okay, wow. This is very destroyed over here. Jeez. I was not expecting this. Seems like it's hard to walk through here too. That. Look at all the cobwebs on the window. Guess we'll step a little bit inside. Found a calendar. Dates back to 2016. There's still some food left in jars inside the cabinets. Looks like we have the washer and dryer over here. Okay, let's head across to the other room. Oh, it's sticking. Can't even get it off. Is this like a fish tank? Probably is. We had another little dining room. It's a strange setup. They have 2 dining tables. So much junk. Oh wow. We have another little lounge room in here. Here's a photo of someone. Looks like a woman. It's black and white, so it must be someone's grandparents or mom, I guess. Oh, this room looks like more so for entertainment. You can probably, like change the color to set the mood. And the sofas look like theater seats. Yeah, they probably had like some sort of big screen TV here at one point. Oh, I didn't notice the fireplace. We have a picture of a kid, probably their son, and their daughters. Wow. This is very hoarded. I bet this was an office. I'm seeing a lot of paperwork. Okay, I'm gonna blur this out. It looks like sensitive information, but I can kind of make up what it says. It's something that has to do with illegal troubles and seizing the home. So that confirms it. I just want to see what's on the desk over here. Oh wow, we have an Xbox. Yeah, it's empty. There's more photos. Looks like Christmas photos. Now, this is probably the husband. They grew old, but they still are young. Look like they lived here in their 40s or 50s. Alright, so we just checked out all the rooms here on the ground floor. We can cut through here. I think it's time we check out the second floor now and take a look at the bedrooms. These railings are kind of wobbly. We already have this wall getting all moldy. Wow, it looks really nice from here. You got some beautiful chandeliers. Probably the same one that would have been downstairs. Has the same like holder on the ceiling. I think we'll start on the left first. I like this a lot. I like how it's like a little hallway. You got some books on the shelves. This is a gorgeous view from the top. Just wish it had better railing. That's the first thing I would change if I were to renovate this place. Oh, look at that. We have another radio or record player. I guess they kept a lot in here. Is this a bedroom? It's way too cluttered to even tell. Yeah, it is a bedroom. Here's the bed. It's so messy. Hard to believe that anyone slept here. Ugh, jeez. This was a female's room. I'm seeing a lot of female clothing. Well, this one is still wrapped up. So many clothes. We got a big standard TV here. Must have been worth a lot back in the day. The bed makes me feel like, since it's a single bed, this was a kid's room. Hey, look, there's a scan here on top of the heater. You can see the x-ray scan. Looks like a person's spine. This is gonna be a tight fit, but goes into another side. Look at that, this has an open view of the living room as well. So strange. But I'm starting to see why they call this the porn star mansion. There's another room over here. Oh my gosh, there's so much black mold. I should probably wear a mask. Damn it. I'm gonna make this quick, guys. I don't want to be here for too long. Let's keep going down this hallway. I think we found the room. This tiny closet space is literally filled with them. Most of these are homemade. Jeez. Wow. And yeah, this room is also filled with some porn magazines. This looks like a master bedroom. What the frick? That face mask scared me. And here's the couple. But yeah, this is the last room on the left side. I think we've seen everything now. We should head to the other side of the second floor. I think I just found a bong. Oh no, that's for a lamp. Never mind. It really looked like a bong for a second. We're back over here. Whoa. I think this was the master bedroom. Yeah, definitely was. This is where the parents would stay. What's this? Is that a diploma? Looks like it. Carnegie Hero Fund. Diploma. This master bedroom must have looked incredible at its time. Look at that, we even have a giant fur coat right there on the mattress. At first I thought there was a light on in this room. It's the bathroom, but it's just the lighting of the window. Yeah, so this is what's left in the master bedroom. Some family photos. Let's take a quick look. Looks like they went to the beach. As you can see, the home was never this messy before. It was very clean and organized. This is them in their living room. Crazy. So sad to think that they used to live in this home. Look at that. Early photos of the development. They're probably doing renovation too. Well, I can go through all these photos the entire day. There's just hundreds of them scattered here. Reflection freaked me out. But this is their giant closet. They don't really have much in here except for some figurines and cups. But some of the clothes are still here too. So many books. Oh my gosh, look what's underneath the bed. Pretty much porn books. Hundreds of them. Wow. These must be all the wife's shoes. All her heels. I'm sure the woman's watching would want these. And yeah, over here in the corner are some clothes. Looks like some robes. Yeah, let's go to the bathroom. Ew, someone was using the toilet. Probably some explorer. Yeah, everything's still here in the cabinets. Not so crazy. It's quite small. Check that out, guys. There's a police stamp right on there. Something must have happened. Alright, we're gonna check the backyard too. It looks like there's a shed with an abandoned boat and a pool. Look at that, guys. This is such a beautiful home. You have such a big backyard. Man, this pool is massive. It's a pretty decent size. This is how it looks like from the back. Quite the unique design. It has like a castle shape. Wow. And here's the boat. Poor girl just running away. Just imagine how many boat rides the family took on this. Now it's just rotting here. You have a little shed. The ceiling seems like it's collapsing. It also has a similar design to the home. Well guys, that's a wrap. I'm heading back to the car. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. And definitely set your notifications. I'll be exploring so much here in Europe, some incredible places you've never seen before in your life that you guys will enjoy. If you enjoyed this mansion, you're gonna see more. So stay tuned every week, Saturday, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern time. That's where I'll be dropping new videos just like this. And hope you guys enjoy the journey of me traveling around Europe. One of my favorite places, hands down. Incredible time capsule and such a tragic story. I'm starting to think that maybe something more happened besides them seizing the property with the police stickers. Maybe someone got murdered here, who knows? Anyway, yeah, till next time guys, definitely check out the squad, Roadkill Places and urbex.inc, links down below in the description. Until next time guys, don't forget to live a life of freedom and wonder. Peace and thanks for watching.